So I
Yeah.
have a question.
What's up?
Has anyone the footballer Messi?
Ah.
Um,
Everyone on here says that.
like,
Yes. I don't see it, and my wife doesn't see it. Hello.
Hello,
My name is Michael. What is your name?
my name is Ahmed. Nice to meet you, Michael.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Iraq.
Ah, very nice. I currently live in Mexico, but I'm originally from America.
That's very good.
Yes.
So do you have like Iraqi student?
Yeah, I have a couple Iraqi students. I actually have students
fine.
from all over the place. So, yeah.
Yeah, because like many countries from different spot of the countries want to learn English because English it's a global language.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yep.
You
Well, I'm in.
just teach English, or you like another job beside Cambly or
Well,
beside teaching?
I teach English, and I'm actually going back to school for computer science and animation.
So we have something in common.
Yeah. I'm learning JavaScript and Python, and then I'm also learning to do animation with special effects.
Yeah, that's very good. So you have like you have passion for these programs and softwares.
Yes, I have a big passion for animation and programming.
Yeah, anime, just like the cartoons.
Yeah, cartoons, anime, cartoons, all that kind of stuff. I love anything cartoon.
Yeah. So is there any specific software that you work with?
Blender.
Blender.
Yeah.
Just like the Photoshop and the Premiere.
Yeah, it's kind of like Photoshop, except like Premiere, but it's free. You don't have to pay anything for Blender, which is nice.
So Blender is for free.
Yeah, Blender is a free program, and it works exactly like Adobe Illustration.
Adobe Illustration.
Adobe Animation and Illustration and all that. It's the same exact program, except it's free.
So you can like put the pictures, and you can also put the voices on the pictures, like create a full cartoon.
Yep. You can do 2D or 3D animation.
But I saw like many videos on on YouTube. How can they create the cartoons and animations? They create like the whole city, like tiny things. They create these things like the bear, the trees, the forest, all this stuff. They created by their hands.
Well, not all the time. Sometimes they will buy props online that others have made. There's a couple of stores that you can buy little props like trees and buildings and all that, and it's very cheap to buy, and then they stick it in their animation and it's there. And the only thing they really create is the character and the voice and the action that the character does. So most of the time, to speed up time, they'll just go to like the Blender Marketplace, or there is Turbo Squid, there's Blender Marketplace, there's Real, what is it called? Real real time or something like that. There's many different marketplaces for many different props that people make.
What does that mean? Props?
Props are like a tree or a car or a building or like the background.
Yeah. So what do you think are good, or what you do are good?
Well, what I'm doing is I'm creating a character and I'm just buying the background. The background is very cheap to buy, so I'll just do the background and then have a character and have him move his mouth. And the only thing I have to do is create a lot of mouth movement and then a character that I can copy, and then just change his mouth. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't have to draw the whole thing over and over again. I can just copy for every scene that one character and then do an eye movement or a mouth movement, and that's it.
Yeah, it's easy. I'm pretty sure because I saw your trial video on Cambly. You said like you have kids. Am I right?
Yes, I have 3 kids.
Yeah, just like me. I have 3 kids like you.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure your kids admire what you do.
Yeah, they do.
Have you ever tried to create something for them, something special for them?
That's what I'm trying to do right now.
Like saying their name, saying their and like you create like a character look like them.
Yeah. Well, actually, that's the animation that I'm making right now. I'm creating an American dad in Mexico, so it'll be Gringo Dad.
A gringo.
Yeah, Gringo. Gringo is an American in Mexico, so Gringo Dad.
A gringo dad.
Yeah.
So I have a question.
What's up?
Has anyone like the footballer Messi?
Everyone on here says that. Yes. I don't see it, and my wife doesn't see it. And like,
really?
I've showed her a picture of Messi, and I've showed her a picture of me, and then she's like, "Yeah, you don't look anything like him." And I'm like, "Well, my students all think I look like him." So,
so you used to hear like this.
Well, usually I'm wearing these, and then students don't recognize me as Messi. But today I wasn't wearing my glasses, so yeah. If people are big football fans and they like Messi, then they think I'm Messi. But if they don't know who Messi is, then I don't have to worry about it. But since you're a football fan, you know who Messi is.
So what's your football team?
Barcelona.
Barcelona. Yeah.
Yep.
For me, I'm not into football. But you know, those people are very famous, and like we see them all the time, social media and regular TV.
Yeah,
that's why I know Messi.
Well, it's funny because we're the same age. Like our birthdays are like a couple months apart. We both play football. Except he's now getting paid for it, and I'm now teaching English. But I've been playing football since I was 4 years old, same as him. So we have a lot of similarities.
Maybe he's teaching English as well.
Maybe.
Who knows?
Who knows? Yeah, maybe he's teaching his kids English.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So, and then Messi's cousin plays football as well.
You could be a twin of Messi.
Yeah, I could. But it's funny because Messi's cousin plays football, and so does my cousin.
So
So, yeah.
just your student ask you like this question, or you?
Oh, yeah.
Some people ask you.
All my students on Cambly say, "Hey, Missy," and I've actually had a guy write me and say, "Hey, Missy, how are you?" And I'm like, "I'm not Missy."
I'm not Messi.
Yeah,
I'm just another teacher. Yeah.
I've actually had a student come in and say, "Do you mind if I take your picture?" Because he was like, I want to tell my friends that I was talking to Missy on Cambly, and I was like, wow, sure, why not?
So we have like a few seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for accepting my invitation, and appreciate your hard work with me today.
No problem. You're a cool dude. Yes, I will go with Missy with you today. So it's Christmas. I have the holiday spirit in me right now. So.
Happy New Year for you and your family. Merry Christmas.
Yes, same to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Goodbye, my friend.
Have a great holiday. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.